Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Making a paper airplane. Woo. Man, this is so thick. Okay. Ta-da! Let's try to fly it. Okay, let's go to this thing. This is my mom's bedroom. Woo! Okay, that was hard to see. Okay, let me just set up this camera and we'll get started. So, yeah, I'll be doing. Okay, guys, I'm getting this thing out. It's time to fly this. That was nice. Okay, let's do some weird stuff with this. Okay, that was hard to see. Look over here. Whoa, do you see that? Look. I caught it. Here, wait, let me do it on the bed. Caught it. It's a boomerang. Well, I just wanted the trash can. Well, that was fun. That was... Okay, so, yeah. I was just flying the plane. It was a nice boomerang. Yeah. So, yeah. And to go. Okay, guys, I just wanted to upload a video about planes. If that seems weird to you, I'm sorry. So, yeah, I'm just uploading more content. I'm trying to figure out funny stuff I want to upload. So, yeah. Bye. Da 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 da.